Hey everybody, welcome to the video. In today's video, let's take a look at YouTube. So you can start by using the Chrome web browser if you like. You can see I'm at Google. You can also sign into a Google account so that you have access to additional information on your data in relation to YouTube. Since YouTube uses a Google account, you must have a Google account. And if you want to learn how to create a Google account, you can check out my course on Google Chrome and creating and managing a Google account in the links description below. If you already have an account, you can sign in here at Google, or we can go to YouTube and you will be able to see that we have a button here for YouTube to go ahead and sign in. Again, you can use YouTube without a Google account. You just won't be able to save specific information related to the data on your account. So if you want to upload videos, edit videos, create your own playlists, you'll be able to do that using a Google account. Now you can see here that there is the library button in history. However, if I go to history, you can see that we have some information about keeping track of what we watch, but also you will see here that watch history isn't viewable when you're signed out. So this is not going to track any of your information. So it's almost like browsing the web using incognito for Chrome, but for YouTube. So let's go ahead and go back home. Then we can select the sign in button up here at the top right. I have an account here that already exists with Google, and I can see that it says I'm signed out. I will go ahead and select that account. Then it's going to ask me for a password. I will select next. It's going to ask for a two-step verification, so you may want to have your device on hand so that you can verify that. So I'm going to open up my iPhone and select the verification tab. It should show up as YouTube or from YouTube, and it's going to ask you if you are trying to sign in. I will select yes, it's me, and then you can see that back on the computer that I am now logged into this account. I can go ahead and select this, and now we can see we get a whole other list of options here for menu items related to our account. If I now want to watch a video, as an example, I could select this video from Team Bull Trading, and now that the video is ran for at least a second or two, I should be able to go back into the menu over here on the top left, the hamburger menu, and select history. And now I should see that latest video from today. Again, you wouldn't see this if you were signed out, and you could see the notification letting you know that it won't track that when you're signed out. Also, if you select the profile avatar in the upper right, you will also notice that you have a list of new options that are related to a YouTube channel specifically. And again, your Google account is rooted in all of these YouTube features. So you can see you also can switch accounts, sign out, and you have YouTube Studio and then information on your channel. All right, guys, thanks for joining me in the video today. This whole video covered how to get signed in or how to get started with YouTube using a Gmail account. All right, I'll see you in the next video.